friends, welcome to Brave Solution Time. For today's video, we are going to see exercise 1.5, 9th sum and 10th sum. So let's get into the video. Ninth sum. Let f is equal to -1, 3, 0, -1 and 2, -9 be the linear function from z into z. Find f of x. So they have given a function f, the value of function f, and they have given a linear function. So let's take this linear function first. Linear function is defined as f of x is equal to ax plus b. So this is our linear equation. Okay, now we have to find what's f of x. Okay, now first let's define these things. So இதை நீங்கள் எப்படி எழுத முடியும் ரிலேஷன் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனில் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ்லலாம் பார்த்துருப்போம். ஸோ இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் நம்ம டொமைனாக எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ டொமைனானா here there will be a -1, 0 and 2 and the second elements will always be a codomain, right? So 3, -1 and -9. So 1 to 3, so -1 to 3, 0 to -1, 0 to -1 and 2 to -9. So 2 to -9, right? So this is how you draw an arrow diagram. Now let's see the function. So this is our function and this is our a and this is our b. Okay, now let's write the f of x value. So first we got f of -1 here and the image of f of -1 is 3, right? So this is equal to 3 and the second one is f of 0 here and the image of f of function 0 is -1, so -1 and then the function third function is f of 2 and so f of 2 is equal to the image of f of 2 is -9, so -9. So this is how you write the value of f of x. Okay, now let's find the value of a and b. So that's what we have to find here, since we have to find the value of f of x here. Okay, so now let's find. For that let's substitute first let's take f of -1 is equal to 3 and let's substitute this here so that our f of -1, so here in the place of here there is an x and in the place of x we have -1. So what you have to do in this equation, in the place of x you have to substitute -1. So let's substitute a of, in the place of x you are going to substitute -1 here, plus b is equal to 3. Okay, so this is how you find it. And now while equating you will get a into -1 you will get -a plus b is equal to 3, right? So let's take this as an equation and now there is the second element which is f of 0 is equal to -1, right? So how will you substitute this? Here there is a function f and here there is a function f and the only difference is in the place of x we have 0 here. So what you have to do in this equation, in the place of x you have to substitute 0. So let's substitute that. Here there is an a, so a, and in the place of x you are going to substitute 0 and then plus b is equal to -1, right? And here you can see that a into 0 it will be a 0, so b is equal to -1. So we have found the value of b. Now what you have to do, we have to substitute this in our first equation or any other equation, so that you can find the value of a. So let's substitute it. Here there is -a. I'm substituting in this first equation, so -a plus in the place of b we are going to substitute -1 is equal to 3. Okay, so we are substituting the b value here which is -1 and now let's solve this. Here plus into minus, it will be a -1 is equal to 3 and therefore let's take this -1 to the right hand side so that you'll get -a is equal to 3 plus 1 and our answer will be -a is equal to 4. Therefore our a is equal to -4. So therefore we have found the value of a and b, right? Now our linear equation is which means our f of x is ax plus b, right? And now here what we are going to do, in the place of a you are going to substitute the value of a and in the place of b you are going to substitute the value of b. Okay, so here there is an a, so let's substitute -4 here and x plus in the place of p you are going to substitute minus 1. So here there is already a minus, so minus into plus it will be a minus, so minus 1. Okay, so the answer is f of x is equal to minus 4x minus 1. So in the question we have to find the value of f of x, and this is the value of f of x. Now let's get into our 10th sum. 10th sum. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by C of at1 plus bt2 is equal to a C of t1 plus b C of t2, where a comma b are constant. Show that the circuit C of t is equal to 3t is linear. ஓகேவா, ஸோ என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, ஒரு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் சர்க்கியூட் தியரி படி இந்த சூப்பர் பொசிஷன் பிரின்சிபல், அதாவது இந்த பிரின்சிபலை வந்து ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு சர்க்கியூட் வந்து சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணுச்சுன்னா அப்போ அந்த சர்க்கியூட்டை வந்து நம்ம லீனியர் சர்க்கியூட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்றாங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ இங்கே பாருங்கள், C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies this superposition principle. ஸோ இங்கே என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, show that the circuit C of t is equal to 3t is linear. அதாவது இந்த சர்க்கியூட், இந்த பர்டிகுலர் சர்க்கியூட் வந்துட்டு லீனியராக இல்லையான்னு சொல்லி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணால் போதும், இந்த சர்க்கியூட் வந்து இந்த கண்டிஷனை சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ணிச்சுன்னா அப்போ அந்த சர்க்கியூட்டை நம்ம லீனியர் சர்க்கியூட்னு சொல்லலாம். கரெக்டாக, ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ இந்த கண்டிஷனை தான் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம given எடுத்து எழுதிடலாம். ஸோ C of t is equal to 3t. This is our given part. Okay. Now let's take the left hand side of this principle and we have to prove the right hand side. Okay, so first let's take the left hand side, which is C of at1 plus bt2 is equal to, here you can see that the function here is c and the function here is also a c, right? But the only difference is in the place of t we have this big at1 plus bt2, right? So what you have to do in this in this equation, in the place of t you are going to substitute at1 plus bt2. Okay, here there is a 3, so 3, and in the place of t you will substitute at1 plus bt2. Okay, so now let's multiply this inside so that we'll get 3at1 plus 3 into bt2, we will get 3bt2, right? Now you can take this a outside, so we will get a of 3t1 plus, here we will take this b outside, so b of 3t2. Okay, we are just taking that outside. Okay, nothing has changed. And now here you can see that 3t1, right? Here there is a 3t instead of t1, instead of t we have t1, right? So what you have to do in the left hand side, instead of t you have to substitute t1. So we'll get, here there is an a, so a, for instead of 3t1 you will substitute c of t1, right? And then plus, here there is a b, so b, and then here there is 3t2, right? So here instead of t we have t2 here. So what you have to do, here in the place of t you have to substitute t2, so we will get c of t2. So c of t2. So as per the question we got c of at1 plus bt2, which is c of at1 plus bt2 is equal to a into ct1 plus bc2 ct2. So here we got ac of t1 plus bc of t2. So therefore we have proved this. Therefore we can say that c of t is equal to 3t is linear. Hence c of t is linear. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.